September the 20th, 2021. This is what, 1 year? About 1 year after we put these 3 tile in here. And we just had a unprecedented amount of rain. Actually, it's been worse though before. Got a good bit of water coming out of here. Goes off down there, under the road. Look at the inlet. It comes in from, there's a spring around this hill here, and it flows down through here. And then there's another source up through here. There's another wet weather spring right there. It flows down through here. So we used to have what, one 18-inch pipe, or was that a 24-inch? 24-inch pipe. Used to carry all this. Now we got 3 of them.